The outdrive costs $1,500 to buy a used outdrive. And your Grandma Tuttle and I went into Roberts Marine that used to be on State Street, and we went all the way up State Street looking on both sides, and there was no Robertson Marine. So we went down Main Street, and it was on Main Street, and they moved last June. Didn't tell anybody. So we got a new bearing, a new impeller, a new U-joint, and that'll fix that good as new. I put new fuel pump, new distributor, new coil, new electronics. It'll be good as new. The third garbage can that's gone out to the front with stuff that came out of the boat. Old seats, upholstery, old crap, old carpet. So about $30 worth of parts, and the outdrive's good as new. This bracket right here, see this? They wanted $150 for that bracket. So I took a piece off of a bed rail I got from the DI a long time ago as metal scraps. And I cut this, and this was the part of the angle. Drilled a hole for this, drilled a hole for that, and fabricated a bracket. And this is that caulking, clear caulking sealant. Just put it on there. A typical lunch at Grandma's is complete when every space on the table has got something on it.